Welcome to the joyful bread. As always, I'd like to whisk us away in a little prayer to start. Amen. Now, speaking straight from the heart, deep in my heart, I think there's no better way to curb your corona quarantined crazies than making a sourdough. Or as our neighbors to the north call it, peunis. Anywho, it's really important to have ingredients to make great food. And I know in these troubling hard times, it's hard to get ingredients. So maybe do what I do and call up your award-winning chef friends and have them ship it to your home kitchen. That's lesson numero uno. Now, follow me. Ooh la la. Perfect. Artisanal sourdough ingredients.
Hot out here. Hey, Thomas. Mind giving the old back a crack?
Huh?
My back. I think I threw it out making your awesome peel-off rice recipe the other night. Absolutely wild!
Sorry, Alex, but here at my household, we're practicing the social distancing.
What? You know what? F you, Thomas. Piece of shit. Asshole. Fucking bitch. Stupid ass bitch. Thomas, stupid ass asshole.
Hey, Tomas, how you doing?
Hey, bonjour. I'm just kidding, Dom. I just wanted to ring you up and give you a call. Just tell you how much I appreciate you sending me those artisanal ingredients that are essential to make great food in these strange times.
Yeah, no sweat, Tomas. You know me. I have a big heart and I love to share all over this wide world. You know what? We should add Alex to this call. He's the one who came up with all those groovy ingredients for your artisanal bread. Hold on a sec.
I can be.
Hey.
Hello?
Alex, it's Dom. And I've got Tomas here.
Why the fuck do you guys keep bothering me with bullshit? I don't want to be a part of this bullshit anymore.
Awesome.
What?
I mean, has this social distancing made you as stir crazy as I've been? I think so. Look, this isn't high school anymore, man.
You know I have fans to service.
I'm over here trying to teach the world how to cook a great bread loaf.
Yeah.
And you're being a jerk. I hope your guitar keeps you warm at night, man. Goodbye.
And I mean a rock and roll band.
Amen.
This is horrible.
Oh, hang up, Alexa. Making an artisan sourdough isn't simply just baking with ingredients. It's a journey. I think it's an outstanding way to reach out to those that you love. So stop and relish in it. In these strange times, of course. Alright, let us begin. Strange times, you guys. Now it's time to get started on our bread. So, I'm super excited to show you guys that you could even cook a sourdough even in your own home kitchen, if you have the right ingredients. So the second tip on making this great bread is having an artisanal bread knife like the one you see right here. Or, as our neighbors to the north call it, butte tu tienza. Tip numero dos, basil. Guys, I can't even begin to tell you how many thousands of breads have been shipped to my house from people, and it's always missing one thing, basil. So, let's go out to pick some fresh basil from my home garden. Lush and award-winning herb garden, we have some fresh basil. So let's grab a few sprouts and get to cooking. Okay, to start, you're gonna want to wring out 2.5 professional grade hand towels into a professional grade restaurant style 2-ply mixing bowl. Now, in 2008, I met a Norwegian chef, and he told me cooks cook to serve the people the nutrients their souls crave. And at that very moment, that's the time I decided to become a professional award-winning chef. Oh God, you don't need the knowledge, you don't need the equipment or training, you need personality. So, that's what I did. I gave myself a personality. You know, and I'm here to teach you all the same great techniques I use in my highly decorated restaurants. And then, last but not least, we top it off with some of our basil sprouts. Oh gosh, that looks nice. Go ahead and pop it in the oven at 275 for 45 minutes. Oh gosh, it looks like we ran out of time and money again. But you guys, you know, we can change that. If you send us money through our Patreon and help support us to make more videos, this wouldn't be a problem anymore. So make sure you tune in next time to The Joyful Bread. I'm Tomas. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.